कि अगर किसी का शादी से पहले फिजिकल रिलेशनशिप रहता है, मल्टीपल फिजिकल रिलेशनशिप्स रहते हैं, तो क्या उसे शादी के वक्त, शादी से पहले और मे बी शादी के बाद अपने पार्टनर को बताना चाहिए सब कुछ सच सच या नहीं?
See, this is a very tough one. I don't think कि इसका एक आंसर है कहीं पर भी. अगर मैं कहूँ कि I think कि आपकी जो प्रीवियस लाइफ थी वो आपकी है, जो मैंने इस रिलेशनशिप में आने से पहले किया वो आपको मैं कैसे कमिट कर सकता हूँ या कैसे कमिट कर सकती हूँ. I cannot erase that.
Of course.
That is one side. The other side is to say कि I'm entering this relationship not telling you any of these things, and अगर आपको culturally उन चीज़ों में किसी भी चीज़ में problem लगे या you have certain principles that you want to follow and you don't know about it, because some things could lead to other problems also, then is that correct? It's a very difficult thing. It's like
because
saying,
one side it's honesty, it's communication, it's being open, transparent, and on the other side it's the same vulnerability you said. Doubts creeping in, insecurities creeping in, all these things. So it's difficult to
it's very difficult
actually understand.
To say, yeah. And
what's
you know,
right.
I have a lot of women who'll say that, you know, कि हमने सच बता दिया because I wanted to be open and honest.
Yeah.
And it was fine for a while. And then after a few years, my partner is now throwing it because problems तो आती हैं ना सबकी जिंदगी में कहीं ना कहीं. So that becomes the point of fight. कि you are like this, you are like this.
Abhi to they can listen to it with a smile on their face. Oh, thanks for telling me. I appreciate.
Absolutely.
And then it can come back to you.
And it does.
Yeah.
Because a lot of men will say, I want a virgin. Make that part of your conversation. If it means that much to you, ask.
Then put it out.
तुम कहते हो ना, are you vegetarian or not vegetarian? Are you this thing or not this thing? So in the same way, ask. My bigger issue is not this, कि अच्छा उस time तो बता दिया. It's like we said, कि later on when the fight happens, have we been taught how to deal with fights? Have we been taught how to deal with relationships? No.
True.
And that's where this problem comes up. वही पुरानी बातें, फिर गाली गलौज शुरू हुई इससे. You know that it's a tough one. I cannot say that there is a formula for this.
So it's a call that you have to take, and
it's a call that you have to take. I think another thing that people ask a lot, men have been asking, that is there any way that a woman can find out if I had sex before? No. Women ask, is there any way that a man can find out if I've had sex before? No. Actually, no. They think they can because they feel that जब हम first time करेंगे तो I want to see you having pain and that will prove to me that you are a virgin. And that's a really problematic idea for me. Problematic to say that you are taking this woman to bed, you're saying, you're my wife. My role is going to be that as we have sex together, it should be pleasurable for both of us, but I want to see you in pain to prove that you are a virgin. You're not even starting off by saying, I want to make things really good for you. You're saying, I want to see the pain. It's a problem. And this virginity thing is a real problem because, see, virginity is not a medical issue. Virginity is not a medical condition. So you can't test it in any way. You can't test it in any way. We've done a chapter on hymens. And I did this with a gynecologist in this new book. She says that the consistency of the hymen is like a गीला tissue. You know, ये tissue को गीला कर दो, इतना पतला और fragile है. वो forget tearing with activity, वो वैसे ही as you get older, वो stretch करके अपने आप ही it disappears. It's not even there. हमारे दिमाग में पड़ा हुआ है कि ये हाइमन होना चाहिए. हाइमन को हम तोड़ेंगे, फिर खून निकलेगा, फिर दर्द होगी, फिर हमें पता चलेगा कि हमने ये कॉन्कर की ये औरत. It's a problem. I'm not saying that you have to go out and compromise all your standards in any way, but why is it that a woman having a relationship suddenly compromises your standards? Or a woman exploring her own body is compromising your standards? What does, like, how is it that if somebody is an absolute virgin, वो बहुत ही अच्छी औरत होगी और अगर किसी ने पहले अफेयर किया, relationship किया, वो गंदी औरत बन गई, वो कैसे होता है? And this other nonsense. Okay, the other thing, which is a big myth. कि अगर किसी औरत ने अफेयर किया है, वो इमोशनली इन्वॉल्व हो गई है, दैट मीन्स कि अब वो हमेशा तुम्हें कंपेयर करेगी. तुम इस तरह के क्रीप बनोगे तो वो डेफिनेटली कंपेयर करेगी. दैट्स द फर्स्ट थिंग. बट दैट्स नॉट हाउ द बॉडी वर्क्स. आई रिमेंबर इन माई यंगर ईयर्स, अब तो मुझे शादी को भी 40 साल हो गए, बीइंग वेरी मच इन लव विद समबडी. ओह, इतना इश्क था. एक तो बचपन में इश्क भी, जवानी में इश्क भी बहुत
अलग ही लेवल पे होता है.
अलग ही लेवल पे. दिल को लहू करने की फुर्सत बहुत होती है उस टाइम पर, सो आई वाज सो इन लव. एंड दिस गाय बेसिकली घोस्टेड मी, ही डम्प्ड मी. 1 साल क्या मैं तड़पी उस पे, तड़पी. I mean, I couldn't think of anything else. Eating, breathing, sleeping, I was thinking of this guy. And then one day he dropped out of my head. He's
Suddenly?
gone. Suddenly.
Okay.
Like he went. कुछ महीने बाद उसने फ़ोन किया. उस ज़माने में वो लैंडलाइंस होती थी. I picked it up. Didn't even recognize his voice.
Really?
And he was like, "Hi Seema." And I said, "Who's this?" And वो इतना offend हो गया that he never called me back after. इतना offend हो गया. उसकी ego was a whole different level. But what I'm saying is that मैं इधर बैठ के उसके बारे नहीं सोच रही. My husband and he are complete opposites. This guy was tall, broad, muscular. My husband is slightly shorter than me. He's not got that kind of physique. I don't even miss that. Like, you don't get stuck with that.
Yeah, right.
पर ये अकल शायद लोगों को सिर्फ मेरी उम्र पे पहुंच के आएगी. आई डोंट नो. आई मीन लाइक फिर पूरी जिंदगी गवाओगे ना तो.
बट आई रिमेम्बर मैंने ऐसा कुछ मीम भी देखा है जिसमें देयर इज अ पिक्चर और देयर इज अ वीडियो दैट शोज कि एक ब्रेकअप के बाद औरत का क्या कंडीशन होती है और जो मैन है उसकी क्या कंडीशन होती है. सो वुमन क्राइज लाइक डेविस्टेटेड, बुरे हाल इमीडिएटली आफ्टर द ब्रेकअप, एंड द मैन इज लाइक फुल माचो चेकिंग आउट अदर गर्ल्स. फ्यू डेज डाउन द लाइन the girl has overcome everything and now the guy is crying.
Yeah. Okay. Arey, why aren't you crying over
then
me?
The reality hits them harder.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for watching this clip, and I'm sure that you're going to enjoy the entire conversation even more. Link of full podcast is in the description below.